Astronomers believe they have found the brightest ever explosion in the cosmos. Despite being located 2 billion light-years away, the cosmic event known as a gamma-ray burst, GRB, was still able to produce a pulsating energy wave that reached Earth in October. GRBs usually produce as much energy as a star will in its entire lifetime, and this one was 70 times brighter than any seen before. Researchers are still trying to determine whether the burst led to a supernova, and are closely studying the aftershock radiation for answers.